Hi, I'm Kaylee, Crafty Ladybug's daughter, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gumball machine using some knobs, some felt, a clay pot, and a vase. Keep on watching to see how I do it. Okay, so first, you're going to take your felt, and you're going to trace the pot to see how big you need to cut it. Doesn't need to be a perfect circle. So now, you're going to take your hot glue gun and glue your felt down. To the younger kids, be careful and ask your parents for some help with this part. Okay, now you can glue your vase to your pot. Once again, being careful not to burn yourself. Now you're going to want to glue your knob to your lid. And ba-bam, you have a gumball machine. Now you can use little stickers and other things to decorate it. Voila! Since me and Mom don't really like gumballs, we're going to be using some peanut M&Ms instead.